Good morning everybody, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are in the world. I've just received the brand new GoPro Mission 1 Pro. I'm so excited. I've been waiting for this camera for a long time because I heard about the 1-inch sensor. It just makes it so much better for getting overall content, low light, etc, etc. I'm going to unbox this and give it a little test view. So let's do it. A little close up there for you guys. So, from what I know, this should be one of the easiest cameras to use on the market, especially for a beginner. If you don't know cameras, then this is a very good, easy, out-of-the-box solution. Also, because there's only one depth of field, you don't have to mess around with too many settings. You can literally just use it as it is. So if you are a beginner, this could be the perfect camera for you. This is what you get in the box. Cable, nice. I save best till last. I think that's for sticking to accessories. It's been a while since I've had a GoPro, to be honest with you. That's the lens hood, which I thought would be plastic, but it's rubber, which I'm really happy to see because that means it won't get scratched so easily. Battery, I hope it's charged. Otherwise I'm not getting this video done today. Dad, can I call you back in just 2 minutes, please?
Jawohl, mein Herr.
Okay, I'll speak to you in a sec.
Bye.
Bye. That's what happens when you don't put your phone in flight mode. All right, attachment mount. And we've got this, the screw, which will, I think that's for attaching the mount to the accessories. So, here we go. Ooh. This is noticeably bigger than the other GoPros, but I like it. It feels a bit more serious. God, this feels wrong doing this. I have this thing, I can't unbox things. Because once it's done, it's done. There's no sending this back. I couldn't peel it. All right, battery in. I'm gonna let you guys see it when it turns on. I hope it turns on. That's not good. Awesome. Don't you just love that feeling when you turn on a new bit of kit for the first time? Checking for an SD card. There is no SD card in there. It's in my, it's in this camera actually. That is absolutely fine. Okay, there she is. And there we are, more of me there. This thing, it's definitely bigger and it feels serious, but it's not overwhelming. I like to be quite inconspicuous when I'm vlogging in public. I don't really enjoy, you know, talking too full onto the camera and standing out too much. I like to sort of stay hidden. So this thing is going to be absolutely perfect. I can't wait to use it. It's not too big. It definitely fits in the pocket. I can imagine for a casual vlogger or someone that likes traveling, this camera is going to be absolutely perfect. So I'm going to take it out for a test for you guys. Let's go. All right, first time on. How are we looking? How are we looking? This is fun. I'm enjoying this very much. So it's raining today, so I can't really take you guys out, unfortunately, but I could. But I'm not going to. But I'll be in Greece in a few days, so I'm going to show you guys properly there what it's capable of. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a rough vlogging test so you can see sort of how it looks. Let's get some different colours going. You can see my piano. yeah, it's raining today, so I think, as you see, it's a little miserable. Definitely a bit of anxiety leaving that hanging over the window. But yeah, what do you guys think? Do you like it? Do you also think this is a great vlogging travel camera? I think it might be one of the best, if not the best, for the simple fact that it's so easy to use and you can put it underwater so easily. Yeah, I think I might be a fan. Anyway, if you guys enjoyed it, like the video, subscribe to the channel, really helps, and I'll see you in the next one.